Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet coffee mug cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet coffee mug cover, also known as a mug cozy or sleeve, is a handmade crocheted wrap designed to fit snugly around a coffee mug or cup. Its purpose is both functional and decorative, providing insulation and personalization for your thinkwear. Here is a breakdown of what it is and why people use it. Features and purpose. Insulation helps keep your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate warmer for longer by providing an extra layer of protection. Hand protection acts as a barrier to prevent your hands from getting too hot while holding a mug. Aesthetic appeal adds a decorative touch with various patterns, colors, and textures. You can personalize them to match your style or give them as gifts. Eco-friendly can be used instead of disposable cup sleeves for reusable travel mugs, making them more sustainable. Common design elements, size and fit, custom fitted to your mug, often with adjustable closures like buttons or ties. Closures can be straight, buttoned, or tied to ensure a snug fit. Patterns made in a variety of styles, from simple single crochet to intricate lace, cables, or applique. Themes: seasonal, holiday, floral, animal inspired, or minimalist themes to suit different tastes. Materials typically made with cotton yarn for durability and heat resistant. The acrylic and wool blends can also be used depending on the desired texture and insulation. Here are even more tips to help you create well-fitted and creative crochet coffee mug covers. Mug handle cutout tips. Side opening. Leave an opening on the outside for the mug handle. You can make the opening adjustable with buttons, ties, or snaps. Elastic edging. Add elastic or a chain loop edging around the handle. Cut out to ensure it stretches and fits snugly. Button-up designs use a wrap around style, where buttons can secure the cover under or above the mug handle. Advanced stitch ideas. Basket weave stitch. Create a textured open look using front and back post double crochet. It adds a cozy, chunky feel. Seed stitch. Alternate single and double crochet for a unique, weavable texture. Spike stitch. Add visual interest by working stitches into the row below for a fun, dynamic design. Color customization, gradient or ombre. Use gradient yarn to create a smooth transition of colors from light to dark. Stripping. Alternate two or more colors for bold or subtle striped patterns. Tapestry crochet. Incorporate geometric patterns or images by carrying two colors of yarn and switching as needed. Functional additions. Pocket mug cover. Add a small crochet pocket to hold a tea bag, sugar pocket, or a small sponge for added functionality. Removable embellishments. Add flower bows or applique with snap buttons so you can swap them out of different looks. Crypt dots. See a small scallops dot or add pop paint on the inside to create slip-resistant surfaces. Holiday and seasonal variations. Seasonal colors. Use warm colors for fall, pastels for spring, or vibrant shades for summer. Festive borders. Add scalloped edged or peacock trim for a more decorative finish during the holiday season. Personalization options. In details or names. Embroider in details, names, or short phrases onto the cover for a custom touch. Crochet letters. Create crocheted letters and sew them on for bold personalization. Favorite motifs. Incorporate motifs that reflect hobbies or interests. Care tips. Washable yarn. Use yarn that's machine washable and color fast to avoid shrinking or bleeding. A crochet coffee mug cover is a handmade crocheted tab designed to fit snugly around a coffee mug or cup. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!